504 for premium, 494 and 484. That's the first time I've seen gas go up in like a year here. Or it's a pack rat. Boy, that is a doorknob. I do not see the prop rod anywhere. Huh. Am I blind? There. Better genius. Is that 6 volts or 0.6 volts? I guess that's 0.6. That's like dead. Oh. Ew. Getting 13.4 volts. $14.89. So the alternator's working. You know, and they never plucked the stupid little tabs out, so I don't know, 520 was that? Or, you know, hey, when you sell a battery, pluck these stupid things off so we know when you got it.